Hi everyone, today I'm going to be opening this. It's for Thorns. Oh, I got it with me. It's kind of neat. These are kind of like the babies, so you just have to open the cardboard off. Kind of hard to get this off. Okay. Okay. Pull this out. Do I know how? Probably because of this tape. Okay, got that. Let's see, yeah, that and a tablet of Zoo, which I'm really excited about. And then I don't really know what that is. Just the outfit itself. Okay. Come back and get this. Okay, don't really know what that's for. Well, it's not just myself. It's just the main company. Let's see what he does if I slide him across this. Oh, I have no idea how to work this. Okay, anyway, I'm going to be putting that on. It's more important than just figuring out how the tablet of Zoo works. Better put headphones on. Okay, now let's add those weapons back. Now the other one. Okay, here we have it. Thorn's outfit. Okay. That was my review for Thorn's outfit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.